Skilling up, to me, means that we're making sure our guys are ready to hit the phones. I'm the senior building manager on the floor. A lot of the tactics we use are voice fluctuation. I was very, very boring when I first started out. As you work in our office and you sit next to these sales reps every day, you figure out real quick who's gonna be successful, who's making the money, and that's who you gotta follow.
What's up, y'all? I'm Emmanuel Acho, your host for Simply Put, the show where we take a seemingly difficult business challenge and put a simple solution on it in terms everyone can understand. In this episode, we're headed back to Armstrong Steel to talk to Searles, Armstrong's senior building manager. Alex's main job is to lead a sales team. He does it with guidance, training, and mentorship. Simply put, he wants to turn his sales team into an awesome sales team, and he's doing it. You'll also hear from Fatima, Mekkaoui, all-around Salesforce expert at Sales Cloud, who will help unpack the story. Then, she'll walk us through a must-see demo for senior sales managers everywhere. Alex, it's your time, my man.
Salesforce is something that was new to me when I began at Armstrong Steel. Didn't have any experience in it. The change aspect of it's always hard for me. I was one of the guys on the floor that just, you can switch over to Salesforce Landing or you can use the original method. I stuck with that original for the longest time until Sean, our IT support guy, he came over and made me switch. I got used to it very quick. It's super simple, super easy to use, and easy to navigate most of all.
Okay, you sales reps out there, remember that change is also hard for your manager, just like it's tough for Alex. We heard Sean talk about this in episode 1.
You know, the sales team, they don't like change.
When we shave time off our sales process, we become better salespeople. Here's how Sales Cloud does that. Reps can now connect with digital customers in new ways on their terms. Whether that's building rapport over a video call or following up with pricing details via email, every rep has the right CRM data. Plus, My Trailhead helps them practice their new skills in the context of customer data. The entire sales cycle is now faster. Second, anytime companies create new products, reps have to learn how to sell them. Sales Cloud quickly scales those training best practices, including how or when to reach out or what to say about a new product. Think back to sales managers like Alex. They set best practices for the team, but they also have to make sure that each person feels supported and motivated. Managers can do that in Sales Cloud. And Lightning Dialer is one of the tools that makes all of this happen.
The Lightning Dialer saves us a tremendous amount of time. It's nice to have everything on one page. If we have a calendar alert or something pop up, we can click in there and open up the lead right away. When selling steel buildings, you have to consider the width, the length, the height, roof pitch of the building. There's a lot of notes that we have to put in for our estimation team, and then they hit the button that says request quote, sends it right through automatically. Within about 5 minutes, the quote will come back. Having everything automated the way it is with Salesforce, it really gives our sales guys a lot of time that they wouldn't have otherwise. That they're able to hit their metrics every day and just keep the ball rolling.
Sales managers rely on sales cadences to improve rep productivity to identify and scale best practices. The bottom line, new and veteran reps move faster and more efficiently through the sales process. Lightning Dialer saves Alex's team a ton of time because reps can reach out to customers and prospects wherever they work just by clicking on their phone number in Sales Cloud. All salespeople appreciate less time wasted, of course. Thanks to Sales Cloud, for reps, time back means more time to connect with customers to actually sell. For sales managers, time back means more time for training and coaching their team.
So the most important aspect of my job is just making sure that these guys are successful. We pull calls from Salesforce that have been recorded when they first start training. So them having access to that right away and seeing the success gets them motivated and helps them hit the phones with more confidence. Sales Cloud helped us skill up by just making everything convenient, and having everything right there on hand is it's necessary in our industry.
Simply put, skilling up your reps means helping them reach their full potential. When you find scalable ways to inspire your team, you'll boost productivity at every step of the sales cycle, just like Alex did.
I cannot imagine my job without Salesforce at this point. It would be hectic. It's something that we'll never get rid of. It's going to be in our office for the long haul. My name is Alex Searles, and you're watching Simply Put.
Thank you, Alex, Mr. Senior Sales Manager, for that deep dive into your sales team And big thanks as always to Fatima for explaining things so simply and clearly. I loved it. Up next, we'll talk to an actual sales rep at Armstrong Steel. So click on through to the next video, and I'll see you soon.